Thank you so much for becoming an Ecomtent customer and a very warm welcome. I'm Max, the founder. In the email I just sent you, you should get my Calendly so you can book a meeting at any time. Like talking to customers is the most important thing I do in my day, and I try and do it at least twice every day. Failing, if that's not, if you're too busy for that, I understand. You also have this chat here, which goes directly to my Slack. So it's not an AI, amazingly, for an AI company. That chatbot goes directly to me, and I will, try my best if I'm not on a call to respond as quickly as possible. But yeah, let me just run through for you how Ecomtent works. The first thing you're going to need to do is to connect your Amazon account. Depending on when you're watching this, you may also be able to connect your eBay and Walmart, etc. That's all coming soon. But you connect your Amazon. In a few minutes, that is going to populate all of these listings. So I'm going to take this listing for example, and this is really the screen where you can kind of change and edit and upgrade your listing. So the first thing we're going to do is to show you how you can improve your copy. You simply improve your copy by here. We have APIs on the back end that does smart keyword research for you. But should you be doing your own keyword research and want to include specific keywords or terms in the generation, simply just put it in that box there, and the improvements are done here. But you could do this in any language. You can generate across any language, and then if you wanted to, save changes and publish to Amazon. The next thing we're going to talk about is visual content. So simply by starting to add visual content, click on here. So this is going to take you to the infographic page. You can click generate infographic to generate an infographic. It's going to randomly generate one from one of our templates here. So here you see the result. This is all editable, so you can kind of change the fonts and the colors and whatever else you want. It works in a similar way to Canva, only a lot quicker, and obviously pulling through the details of your listing. So that's all there. It's then very easy, to, if you want to edit from a different basis, you can just click on, a different template, and you can start editing from that template. Should you want to do this, and you can, kind of create the infographics. Once you're happy with something, you simply just click save. The next thing to talk about is lifestyle images. So we have done a lot of research on auto prompting from hundreds of thousands of labeled prompts we have from customers. We've labeled with students from the University of Toronto. So simply clicking generate background image is going to generate an optimized lifestyle image, which you can see here. Should you like this, just simply click save again. This is going to save this piece. But should you want to use your own prompt and be kind of proficient with AI, you can just then click this button. We have this prompt engineering guide. I highly recommend reading it. We've done a lot of research into this, but you can kind of move this around, do your own prompt. And hopefully these other kind of tabs are self-explanatory. These help you to manage the infographic side of stuff. And then once all this is done, your saved things will pop up here. You can then rearrange your generated stuff, delete anything that you don't want. If you save something and you don't want it, it's appearing here. And then once you're all done, you can just publish to Amazon.